Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Patience and today we'll be making this delicious and colorful looking turkey sauce. If this is your first time to my channel, thank you so much for joining. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, as well as hit the notification bell so you know when there's new uploads. Please don't forget to check the description box, guys, for details and information on the ingredients used for this recipe. So I'm pouring my oil, as you can see, in a pan. Adding my onion. I'm going to fry this for about a minute or two, or you can fry it till it's slightly brown. Then adding my bell peppers as well as my chopped tomatoes. You can cut these bell peppers however you want it, but this is how I want to cut it this time. Give the vegetables a lovely stir. Then add in my seasoning, rosemary, thyme, as well as pepper. Don't forget, guys, to check for salt because babies are not allowed salt until they're 1. Once it's well combined, add in my turkey. Give that a stir as well with the rest of the ingredients. I'm adding water to the sauce because I don't like my sauce too dry. But if you do, you can just leave the water out and just cover. If not, you can add a little water depending on how you want your sauce to look like or to be. Once I've done that, cover it to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. The good thing about this turkey sauce is the color, the aroma, and in fact the taste. It tastes super delicious, guys, and you can use it to eat whatever you want, like rice, potato, couscous. You can even use it to eat salad. That's how good the sauce is. I'm using rice to eat mine, and trust me, I can't wait to eat it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can have more videos, as well as the like button. Thank you again for watching. See you soon. Bye.